Chapter number 24, solution of right triangles. All these sums based in this chapter that are based on chapter number 22 and chapter number 23. Right angle triangle is given, and we have to either use sine or cos or tan according to given information and according to whatever values we have to find. Okay, directly नहीं दिया रहेगा, use sine, use cos, use tan. Indirectly they ask कि you have to find this one. Then we have to use our logic, common sense use करके हमें find out करना है. So exercise 24. चलो, which questions are there?
Sir, question number 1, question number 2, question number 3, question number 9, and question number 15 and 16.
Question 1 is there, na? Okay.
Yes, sir.
So question number 1. Question number 1. Find x if one diagram is given. This is 60. Angle given, opposite of 60 degrees 20, and this one is the x, and we have to find value of x. So students, whatever angle given, वो angle के opposite side दी है, and opposite of 90 degree, that is hypo given. So सोचो opposite upon hypo किसका ratio है? It's of sine.
Sine.
Yes. Just write sine 60 degree is equal to opposite side upon hypotenuse. So sine 60 की value √3/2. Opposite side of 60 degree, that is 20. And x is the x only. Just do the cross multiplication. So x and √3 multiply x into √3 and 20 into 2. So these become √3x. These become 40. So now √3 is multiplication. So this side is divide. 40 divided by √3. Now denominator is always rational number. So therefore multiply numerator and denominator by rational number. So these become 40 √3 upon 3. Sum solved. All the sums, they are same only. Second one. In second one, this is given 30. This is x, and this one is 20. Opposite of 30 given. See, just check. Opposite of 30 and adjacent side given, because this one is 90, so this become height. So opposite side and adjacent side given. So opposite and adjacent किसमें आता है?
Cos.
हाँ?
Sorry, sir.
किसमें आता है फिर?
Tan.
Tan. Tan 30 is equal to opposite side upon adjacent side. So tan 30 की वैल्यू क्या है?
√3.
√3. Opposite side 20, adjacent side x.
Sir, sorry, 1/√3.
It's 1/√3. ठीक है, तुम लोग बोल रहे हो, मैं लिख रहा हूँ. just cross multiply. This one is x na. So just multiply x is equal to 20 root 3 units. Now question number 2, sum number 3 of question 1, that is homework. Question number 2. Again find angle A. If first one A 10 20, this one. So now students see the 90 is the opposite, this is hypotenuse given, and adjacent side of angle A given. A के adjacent side है दोनों, opposite तो नहीं दी है. One adjacent, that is adjacent, another adjacent, that one is the hypotenuse. So हमें क्या use करना है? Cos. Cos A is equal to adjacent side upon hypotenuse. So cos A, adjacent side is 20, hypo is 20. This is cancel. Cos A 1 by 2. 1 by 2 value किसकी आती है cos में?
Cos 60.
Cos 60, cos cancel, therefore A is equal to 60 degree. Sum solved. So we will do second ka second, and maybe I want you people get ready with your questions. अच्छा, और तुम ही लोगों को देने वाला, who will give vote of thanks and who will give introduction? चलो फटाफट अभी बोल दो. मैं नहीं बोलूंगा, तुम लोग सामने से बोलो कि हम लोग करने वाले हैं. Who will give intro? Who will give vote of thanks? तुम लोगों को पूछ रहा हूँ मैं. मैंने बोल दिया पूरे सब बैचेस को, इस बार ICSE 9 हैंडल कर रही है, और ICSE 9 का एक जन बोलने को रेडी नहीं था. जबरदस्ती मुझे बोलना पड़ेगा कि तुम लोग करो. हाँ सानवी, चलो. धीरज, ऋषिका. अच्छा ऋषिका, that position is going to start, I think so. So थोड़ा मैं ऋषिका को नहीं बोलूंगा ये बार. So सानवी will give introduction, and Hanishka, you have to give vote of thanks. I will send all the content Zoom पे, but ना कैमरा ऑन होना चाहिए, because
सर टाइमिंग क्या होगी?
टाइमिंग 7:30 to 8:30.
सर मैं अटेंड नहीं करूंगी.
सर जूम में ही ना?
Zoom है.
vote of thanks में क्या लिखना है?
I will send all the content. You don't take tension. मुझे सिर्फ पढ़ के बताना है, but थोड़ा रिवाइज कर लेना, and it should be with expression and camera should be on. सानवी and get ready with the questions. एकदम अच्छे से सुनना. धीरज, ऋषिका तो नहीं है, सुमित, और ना whatever ही वो जो डिलीवर करेंगे ना उसके बेस पे फटाफट क्वेश्चन निकालना. बहुत मजा आएगा. He have lot of techniques. Whatever your problem, he have solution. तुम लोग कुछ भी बोलो, उनके पास solution है, कुछ भी. ओके सो मस्त स्पीकर है. हमें कुछ प्रॉब्लम आता है तो हम लोग उनके पास ही जाते हैं पूछने के लिए. सो मैंने बोला सर अभी स्टूडेंट्स के लिए भी आ जाओ. सो he will give time. See now A, we have to find A, that is opposite side, and this one is the hypotenuse. Opposite and hypotenuse. So it is of sine, correct? Sine A is equal to opposite side and hypotenuse. So sine A is equal to opposite, that one is a 10 upon root 2 upon 10. See, now it is little bit difficult. इसके denominator में कुछ नहीं तो 1 है. So just write 10 upon root 3 as it is. Into take the reciprocal of this 1 by 10. So this 10 cancel. This become 1 by root 2. This is sine A. Sine में 1 by root 2 किसकी वैल्यू है? Sine A is equal to sine 45, correct? So therefore A is equal to 45 degree. Some solved.